dimming where other devices reach their limits. Anyone who knows Eltako knows that we also have a solution ready here and are constantly interested in further developing our large product range. Precisely for this reason, today we dedicate ourselves to our new Bluetooth dimmer. The EUD12NPN BT 600W is the big brother of the 300W version, expandable with power add-ons up to a maximum of 3400 watts. This dimmer switch with integrated circuit and Bluetooth can be easily configured with the ELTAKO Connect app. Like with our other Bluetooth devices, you can easily connect. As you're already used to from our previous dimmers, you can also operate this dimmer in trailing edge and, if necessary, in leading edge. Furthermore, you have the option to set the operating mode, switch-on behavior, desired switching times, and much more. The control supply and switching voltage is 230 volts. Through the Eltako Connect app, you can define how your local control should act on the dimmer. Here you have the option between auto detection, universal buttons, and directional switches. With the additional central inputs, you have the possibility to control groups or integrate them into the existing overarching central control system. Even a motion detector input is included in the dimmer. You can also define whether it is switched on with the memory value or with a fixed brightness level. Furthermore, you have the option to define a residual brightness in the off state. Whether you want to dim large loads like chandeliers or optimize your hotels or conference rooms with the right lighting mood, with the EUD you are always perfectly equipped. Let your architecture shine in the best light while saving energy at the same time. And with that, I wish you lots of fun dimming. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and also feel free to leave a like. Until next time, bye.